Hey everyone, it's Mr. Canfield. This time we're going to look at what do you call an occupied restroom on an airplane. So in this one it says cross out the letters above each correct answer. So like we'll get an answer, we'll find it down here at the bottom, we'll cross it out. And it says most answers are rounded. When you're finished, the remaining letters, like whatever's left here, whatever's not crossed out down here, whatever's not crossed out, you write it out and it gives you the answer. Remember, I don't care if you actually do the puzzle at the bottom. I care that you do the problems. So there are 11 problems here. Let's go for it. So the first ones, 1, 2, 3, and 4 at the top. Not a whole lot for us to talk about with those, except for one. One of these is not possible. Did you see it yet? Pythagorean theorem. A squared plus b squared equals c squared only works on right triangles. If it doesn't have the marking, is it even a right triangle? This doesn't even look like a right triangle. So this 4 is not possible. So I already know. I'll go to the bottom and I'm gonna scribble out not possible. I'm gonna scribble that one out. All right, so now I'm gonna start doing some problems. It says, Mr. Potato bought a big screen TV. Wow, that's a weird name. The screen is 52 inches wide. So we usually call this width, right? So 52 inches wide and 29 inches high. Find the length of its diagonal. Oh, find this, okay. Well, it's a TV, so we know that's a right angle. Oh, well, so can't I just say, that's my right angle, so that's my hypotenuse. So 29 squared plus 52 squared is equal to c squared, right? 29 squared plus 52 squared. I got 3545 is c squared, not c, but c squared. We'll take the square root of both sides. Or sorry, we'll take the square root of both sides and bam, 59.5. So let me see, 59.5, I see it at the bottom. I'm leaving my answers visible, like the numbers visible, so that I can kind of go back and check later if I need to. All right, so that's all I gotta do here. Just take some time and go through and try these. You know what, I think I should do some more of these word problems. So that was 5, so here's 6. A 16-foot ladder is leaned against a wall. What's that look like? For some reason, the wall turned into a house. Here's the wall, right? There's the front door. Here's some windows. All right, so here's the ladder. And it says the ladder itself is 16 feet. And it says, if the base of the ladder is 5 feet from the wall, that is a way for us to say, here's the wall, here's the base of the ladder, that is 5 feet. How high up on the wall does the ladder reach? So this right here is our x, that's what we're trying to look for. So we're trying to find out, is that A, B, or C? Well, what we know is that's our right angle because it's a wall. So 16 is C, and these are A and B here. So I can say 5 squared plus x squared is equal to 16, or I can write B squared there. Doesn't matter. So 16 squared, and now I'll do this one more time. I don't think I need to do this much more after that though. So I get 25 plus B squared is equal to 256. Is that what 16 squared is? Yeah. It's a big number in computer games and stuff, so I have that one memorized as well. So b squared is equal to 256 minus 25. I get 231. I'll take the square root of 231. Hopefully you're at the point now where these are starting to become pretty quick for you. So 0.19, that'll round up to 0.2. If I look down at the bottom, 15.2 feet. Did I make an oopsie? Nope, 15.2 feet right here. Maybe I do want to cross out the numbers because I got distracted by that number earlier. Okay, cool. Let's see. A 25-foot water slide extends 15 out into the water. How high is the top of the slide? So that's our X right there. And it's going to be very similar to number 6. Let's look at number 8. 2 trains left Frog City at the same time. One traveled north at 70 miles an hour. The other traveled east at 50 miles an hour. About how far apart were the trains? That's from here to here, right? So, oh, that's our hypotenuse. That's not a hard setup at all for number 8. Number 9, for this equilateral triangle, find the height, find the area. All right. So for this equilateral triangle, find the height and area. That took a turn really quick, didn't it? All right, so all we know is that this is equilateral, so this is 20, this is 20, and this is 20. That's what equilateral means. Oh, wait, look. Oh, it was gonna be way harder than this. But once I wrote these numbers, I realized something. This says it splits into 2 equal pieces because of the markings on it. Well, if it's all 20, well then they're both 10. And so if I'm trying to find the height, that's height, that's right there, right? So it's 10, that's 20. Well, if I want to find that, that's so easy now, right? I can say 10 squared plus h squared is equal to 20. And I can go, 20 squared. And I can go through and do what we normally do. H squared, we'll subtract the 100 from both sides. We'll take the square root of 300 and get h is equal to whatever the square root of 300 is. Square root of 300, so 17.3. So I go over here, I find 17.3. Bam, gone. All right, but now it asks for the area. So you might not remember this from whenever you learn this, but you can just say, we know the area of a triangle is 1/2 its base times its height. Well, we know the base here is 20, and we know its height now is 17.3, so I literally just need to go 1/2 times 20 times 17.3, bam, 173. So that should do it for this one, and I'll see you in the next one.